بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا ومرحبا بكم في هذه المادة التدريسي بما نستطيع أن نسمي بالتوتوريال اللي هي الدراسة حول المجال الحاسوب. أولا أحييكم وأحيي جميعا في هذه العمل العظيم الذي تقوم بجهدكم أي وقت بأن تساعدونا نحن لكي نواصل في دراستنا. اليوم أنا أريد بس كلامي طبعا للأسف. اليوم أنا أريد أن أشرح لكم كيفية عمل الحساب في الآيتونز. أوكي، الآيتونز هي عبارة عن برنامج صنعه شركة أبل للتعامل مع أجهزته اللي هي ما يسمى بآي ديفايسز، بما فيهم الآيفون والآيبود والآيباد. هذا كلها تلفونات تستخدم الأبل ستورج، وأبل ستورج هي المتجر الأساسي، هي المتجر الأساسي بالنسبة لأجهزة الآيفون. نعم، توجد متاجر أخرى ممكن أن يتم تنزيل الأبليكيشن فيها، لكن غير شرعي، لأنه التطبيق ممكن ينزل ما يشتغل، ممكن يشتغل إذا كمان فرمت الجهاز ما في لك طريقة ترجع إلا تنزل من جديد، اللي هي ما يسمى بالتطبيقات المحكرة، يعني هاكر أبليكيشن. أنا اليوم أريد أن أشرح لكم حاجة بسيطة، لأن الآيتونز بالفعل فيه تغيرات، ما زي الأبديت الزمان، كان فيه شوية إضافات وفيه حاجات كده شكلها زادوها. هذا واجهة جديدة بالنسبة للآيتونز، بما فيه اللي هي أنت ترى في تول بارز هي. let me switch full screen. This also should be like this. Okay, this is a toolbars for iTunes. هنا شيء، هذا هو فايل، هذا فايل، والفايل دايما في جهاز سوري في اوبريتنج سيستم بتاع الويندوز، بما يسمى بالويندوز نظام التشغيل. دايما الاوبشن بتاعه ما مختلف كتير مع كل البروجرامات لايك اوفيس، فوتوشوب، وكمية من الحاجات اللي هي يقول لك نيو فايل، كلوز ويندوز، add file to library, and then add folder to library, born flare list to disk, library devices, and so on. This is all option. I don't think here there is important things. You can take a look for it. Just here add file to library. For example, if you have application in your other storage, just you want to put the place when the iTunes can see it. If you want to install or you want to transfer to the Apple devices, you can use this option, add file to libraries, your application for example. Okay, edit here, we don't have nothing more here, just as you see more shown, like not activated, like undo, redo, cat, copy, paste, and something like that, and reference, so on. And here we have apps. Show me in iTunes Store, delete from library. This is also now is seen like hidden. When you sign in for your account, you can see activated. Here we have the view. View is something like media kind and storage by and something on, and visualizer show is many players. I think it is mostly for the music players. Here is the controllers, and also controller we don't have nothing more to see. The very important thing is something what we are going to focus on. It is account here. Actually, what you can enter your account or sign in to your account or authorize your devices. Our focus today will be here. Account here, when you see the first option, it is authorization. Authorization means to give certificate to your computer through your account. Apple can accept it. You can transfer your application from computer to other devices. It's iPhone, iPod, iPad, whatever devices. Here, when you put your mouse over authorization, you can see the options. We have here 3 options. Authorize this computer, deauthorize this computer, deauthorize Audible accounts. Okay, we can focus here for this too. Authorize this computer. It is mean you make authorization for your computer, or you apply your account on your computer. The application you downloaded from Apple Store already registered for your account. You have that application you want to install or transfer to other device, iPhone, iPod, iPads, I can say iDevices shortly. You must to authorize your computer. This is the first step, and you must know here from here clearly. The Apple will give you the permission to authorize only 5 computer for one Apple ID. Apple ID and iCloud no different, but iCloud security site, Apple ID to use your ID to buy application, download application free or not, something like that. Now here shortly I can show you how I can see you sorry how to authorize. If you are already authorized your computer, you say deauthorize, you can remove your account from this computer. This is very important. You do not use to authorize randomly to any computer, because if you finish authorizing of 5 computer, you don't have permission to do for other ones or to deauthorize it unless after 1 year. Clearly, authorization for 5 computer allow for 1 year. After 1 year, they give you options. You can do deauthorize, or you can remove your account from all this computer or another computer what you don't want. If you finish authorizing of 5 computer and you forgot them, you don't have any choice. You should wait 1 year, then you can deauthorize them. Okay, anyway, now here we don't have account, just here sign in and something like that, authorize. For example, when you click here authorize, they give you enter your Apple ID and enter your password. Already you have Apple ID and you have password, you can enter. This button will activate and then you press on it and you make authorize. Okay, here when you want to make deauthorize, it is mean you already apply authorization on your computer and you want to remove, because you want to save your options. You don't want to use for that computer with just the purpose to authorize and to send the application what you downloaded with your ID to some mobile. You don't want to leave your account on that computer. You just use deauthorize here. The same option, you enter your Apple ID, enter the password, and then you remove your account. You will still have the number what you had before and so on. Okay, here another option here is sign in. Sign in, it means you have already Apple ID or Apple account, I can say. Apple ID, as I said, sign in to the iTunes Store. If you have an Apple ID and password, enter them there. If you have used the storage or iCloud, as I told you, iCloud and Apple ID is the same. For example, you have an Apple ID, sign in with your Apple ID and password. It is an option to sign in. You don't have create the Apple ID, but the create from here, it is not the good choice to create the Apple ID. Maybe you will find difficulties how you find the Visa card number and some option like payment and something like that. We don't want to pay, we need to create for free. And you know what, if you create it for free, whatever you want to charge your account, you just go to your security and you enter your security options, what you used it before or things you are creating your account, and then you can recharge your account. No matter if you created the Apple ID for free or for non-free, it is just to create it. The option to create it, you should go inside the Apple Store and select the any apps which are free. They can give you option for free. Okay, I don't want to talk here more because we don't focus here, but here you don't use to create here. This is not a good choice. I can stop here, and second video I will continue how to create the Apple ID. Thank you so much. I see you next video.